what I wanted is just I am framing one scenario. This scenario is very, very important scenario. Okay. So first see from here. What is problem record? Anyone know what is problem? Problem.
To report a repeated issue.
Repeated kind of
Incident, yes, sir. For
incident.
more people.
To know the root cause.
An issue triggers again and again, it will comes under problem.
Problem we didn't discuss, huh?
Yes, sir. Not discussed.
We discussed, no? No, we didn't discuss.
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Incident and problem. Okay, good. We didn't discuss. Very good. Okay, very, very good. So let's say I have an issue. Okay, that is issue incident. Well, let's say one issue is there. The impact of the issue is one department. That means maybe 1,000 people, 500 people, 250 people, something. So when the issue magnitude is bigger, okay, can we call it as simple issue or can we call it as a bigger issue?
Bigger issues, sir.
Okay, bigger issue. Okay. When we have kind of bigger issues with respect to magnitude, with respect to the severity, we call that issue as problem. You understood, ma? Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that means see today, Monday morning we joined, okay? We log into the system, okay? When we log into the system, we use one application. We are all from finance department, okay? We use one application, employee salary application. Okay, the backend server is MySQL server or something, Oracle server. So when we are using it, that time the server was actually Sunday server was patched. The latest patch updated in the server. Okay. So because of the patch, what happened is some configurations changes happened, and because of these changes, this application connectivity to the server is failing. Okay. So when it is failed, people are not able to open the application. They are opening it, but server connectivity is failing. Okay. So because of that, people have started screaming it. Okay, I'm not able to open. I'm not able to use my application. Something. So the application is being used by 5,000 people. Complete department, finance department. Now, can we create incident and slowly work on it, or can we create a problem and then run on it? When we create a problem, we should not work like an incident. Okay, assign to that group, this group. Okay, slowly do it, that and all. The time and all will not be there. It is like, okay, when we create a problem, there is a process. I will explain the process. But now the definition of problem is clear with more detailed, deeper.
Yes, sir.
Everyone,
Yes, sir.
everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any questions here? No.
No, sir.
So when
No,
we
sir.
have a problem, okay, the definition of problem is like that. Okay, simple. There are two types of problem: proactive, reactive, or something. Proactive, reactive. 1 second. Types of problems. Proactive, I know one. Management. No, not this one. Reactive, proactive. Very good. Okay. So the example that I given you, reactive. Okay. Just now I told no. Okay. People are logging into it and then they see in the issue, they raised it. Okay. That is reactive. Okay. Issue raised. People started noticing it. People started reporting it. People started working on it to fix it. Okay. That is reactive based, reactive typed problem. Is that clear? When you do reaction, let's say you go to the kitchen, okay, your hand touched to maybe fire, you will immediately react. So something happened and then you react, correct?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, sir.
So what is proactive? Proactive problems are something like, okay, as part of project management, okay, as part of continuous service, CSA, na? Continuous CSI, continuous service implementation. These terminologies, if you don't understand, you just ignore it. Okay, I'm just giving the knowledge or information. Okay, continued service implementation, something. Okay, improvements. I think improvements are improvements.
Improvement, sir.
Improvements. CSI. So see, I am a project manager. Okay, I'm running a service to a client. So first, what we do, what client want it, we will first make it. Okay, then the process is running very smoothly. Okay, whatever the client is asking, we are doing it. He is happy with that. Then immediately, what second thing we do is we started checking how we can improve it better. Okay, first day only I should not come and say I will improve everything. First learn, first do basic. If basics are very strong, then improve it. Everywhere the same thing will happen. Whatever we are also following. Now, first learn the basics, learn in a simple way, understand it. Once it is done, once you get confidence, improve it. Okay, even high level, okay, big project management people also will do the same thing. We are also our SKFacts students also doing the same thing. That is there. That is the nature of our human things. Okay, improvements only will come when the basic survivals are stable. Is that correct statement, ma? If you
Yes.
apply to human tendency, correct?
Right, sir.
Yes. Okay. So continuous service improvement will come when the service is very smoothly go. Okay. So now as part of CSA, the project managers will start discuss the project managers, team lead, team members, everyone will discuss. We are running this. Okay. Are there any places where we can improve the okay process? Where are the gaps? Where we can find okay how we can implement better? Or if we follow this one, where are the places we may get issues? Flaws. Okay, identifying flaws, everything. Okay, so let's say we identified one issue. Okay, we can't, if you continue this one, maybe in some point of time, this issue may come. Okay, it's a solid proof. We have it. We, as per our experience, we got that particular judgment also. That time, what we do is to understand, to fix that particular problem from now only, we created one problem that is proactive problem. Okay, everyone understood what is proactive problem? Ma?
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
very good. So this is problem management. This is types of problems. Okay. Now why we need this one? Okay. Why we need it? First of all, why we came to problem management here? We are discussing something else.
Audit.
Not audit, not audit. Okay. So,
State.
fine, ma. I got it now. Okay. So this is problem. This is problem management. So problem life cycle. Okay. Let's say one problem is created. Okay. How we created a problem? Generally, people will come from here and there is an application called problem. Okay. They will say new problem and then they will create it. Okay, like this. Okay. Then the problem management is also have the same kind of fields like instant, little different. So we give all the inputs. Okay, what is problem, what is why it is raised, and what service it is affecting, and all. Okay, same like incident management. This table is also task table child only. Okay, so when we are creating a problem, when we create a problem, the life cycle is the problem management is something like okay, problem created. Okay, in general, if it is problem created, now immediately we open hypercare. Okay, we call it as a hypercare, okay, whatever it is. Hypercare call. That means all the one call will be opened. Okay, whoever are responsible for this particular application or problem, okay, related, everyone will be bring. Let's say this is related to Servicenow page, so one from Servicenow needs to join. This is also involved in database connectivity, so DBA team. So one person should be joined to that. No exclusion. First thing. Second thing is, till the problem completes, everyone should be there in the call, irrespective of whether it is your problem or your not your problem, whatever it is. So the hypercare will open, and as part of the process, they will do problem fixing, means root cause analysis. Okay, we call it as RCA, and then fix, identifying fix, means finding fix. Okay, apply fix. That's it. Solve the fix. Solve the problem. Okay. Later, once the problem is completed, maybe some documentation. What is the problem? How it is created? Okay, why it is generated, and then how we fixed it, and then documentation we will say. Okay. So this is the simple life cycle. Clear? Yes, no? Please confirm it, ma.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This is
sir.
also called as major incident management call, right, sir?
That is major incident management is also similar like problem management, but this one and that one is completely different, ma. Okay, the life cycle wise and definitions wise, major incident management is not problem management.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
fine. Fine. Don't ask me what is major incident now because we don't have time. Maybe some extent other time I will explain it. Okay, but what is problem? What are the types of problem? Okay, what is the life cycle of problem? Is that clear?
Yes.
Everyone, is that clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, why we need this all story is because only for one small example. Okay, I got one issue. Okay, I am from service desk. Okay, I received one incident. The incident is telling laptop cost unable to open it. Okay, let's say this one is SKFact application. SKFact finance application is not launching. Okay, so yeah, server error. This is the first incident raised for today. Consider like this. Okay, as per the example that we discussed. Right, everyone? Yes,
Correct,
no?
sir.
After this one raised, okay, 100 instance raised. So we are started seeing tickets are coming, and the issue is same. Okay, this is first or second, but after this one, so many instances are keep on coming out. Okay, service desk manager started getting alert, and then say there is one thing which we need to started pointed out, and then report it to respective team. Good. So what I do is, will I go to problem, create new problem, or I will go to this record. See this one, ma. Only to show this one, we are discussing all this all these things. Okay. So I am in the problem record. I will generate a problem from incident. So I'm in incident record. Okay. And then I have an option here, create problem. I'll click this one. Okay, let it be. It is a mandatory field. No? So I'm just selecting it. First I will select it. Very good. So from this particular incident which is generated first or second or whatever it is, from one incident I am generating the problem. Okay. Create problem. Okay. When I say create problem, 7-9 incident, from 7-9 incident you created a problem. The problem record is generated in the problem table and with the same short description of the incident that you generated from. Did you all notice it, ma?
Correct, sir. It copied the short description.
It copies the short description. Maybe if you design it, it may copy the other things also. Once it is generated, from where you created that value, it came here. From which incident you generated this problem from, the incident is also copied here. Did you all observe it? Two things. Okay, problem is generated, the incident which you generated from that is copied here, and the incident details are copied into problem also. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, is that clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
So now you understood why I discussed the problem definition. Correct? This is meaningful now. Why I generated from incident the problem record. Is this meaningful after discussing all this history?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what option I use to create a problem is our topic. Okay. From see now, I'm going to the same record. Okay. Now I will go for the same to see create problem. I didn't see now. because you already created one time problem record, so next time you should not create for the same issue. One problem is already generated. So this is what the meaning of this not availability. Good, meaningful. Okay, I will show it again. I'll cheat the system because I know the loopholes. Okay, because of this value available here, it is not showing that. Okay, so I removed it just to show it, ma. Don't ask the meaning. You already got the meaning. Okay, so this is the one I used it. This one which you are seeing here, okay, is called as UI action, not UI policy action. Don't confuse it. The most confused part is UI action, UI policy actions. Both are completely different. And when we are talking about UI policies, there you see action, you should not pronounce as UI action. You should pronounce UI policy action. Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.